Weight 201 kg. Price £8, $5.95. The 2024 Triumph Daytona 660 has several advantages, namely an ideal configuration, combining low-end torque and twin-engine agility-free, top-rev performance. From an inline 4-cylinder engine, a unique 3-cylinder soundtrack that is pure Triumph, a special APS rotary grip and engine tuning limiting power to 35 kilowatts. Can be installed by Triumph dealers. Intuitive, agile sports handling with all-day riding comfort. Please support this channel so that it develops further and provides the latest information for you. More information, please subscribe